Hi there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use your smartphone as a webcam in OBS. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and search for Iriun. Iriun.com. Very simple, sleek, no fluff, no gimmicks. Here's their website, and you want to download the options here. In my case, it is webcam for Windows. And as you can see, I have it here. Once you download it, you'll have this window here that says Iriun Webcam turns your phone into a wireless webcam. Use your mobile's camera in your PC or Mac. Currently, we have no phone available. You need two devices, in this case your smartphone and your computer, to be connected to your Wi-Fi. And let's go over to the phone. Open up your iPhone and go over to the App Store, and afterwards you want to search for Iriun Webcam and download Iriun Webcam and get that set up on your phone. It should come up fairly quickly. And once you have the feed from your phone going, you can switch back over to your OBS on PC. Okay, so here we have our Iriun webcam open, and you want to go into your OBS studios and you want to create a new source. You want to create a video capture device, and you can name it whatever you want to. In this case, let's name it iPhone Webcam, because I'm currently recording this on an iPhone 11. Okay, and this screen will pop up, and your device here, you want to change it to Iriun Webcam from the drop-down menu. Iriun Webcam. Okay, and now here is our webcam. Let's move this over to my other monitor. We don't need this window anymore. Okay, and here you can see the difference. As I said, I don't actually have a mount for my iPhone. The top right camera is my Razer Kiyo, and the bottom right is my iPhone 11. And there you go, it's a free webcam, no fluff, no gimmicks. Let's go ahead and maybe try to react to a YouTube video. This is one of my favorite YouTubers, Radina Molina, who is my awesome and talented sister.
So we're back, and BTS performed on the Today Show this morning.
So she's interested in K-pop and BTS, lifestyle, food, fashion, all that good stuff. Anime. Check her out. Shout out to my sister Radina Molina for the sake of this video.
Okay. Mom, and this is what I wanted to tell you. It's coming up on our 2-year anniversary of discovering BTS.
Cool. You can use it for YouTube, you can use it for meetings, whatever you may need. Let's try gaming. All right, we're going to be playing a game called Glaucoma. This is a Bulgarian first-person horror action RPG game. Let's see how it sounds. All right, looks good, sounds good. Here we are, we're doing it. Very cool. And yes, this is how you set up a smartphone, in this case an iPhone 11, as a webcam. So good luck, have fun, enjoy. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, or if you have any questions, comment down below and I'd be happy to help. Take care, everybody, and happy gaming. That's the video. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope this helped you out. If it did, please give me a like, subscribe. It would really help the channel grow. And enjoy yourself. Have fun. Enjoy using your awesome smartphone as a very viable webcam. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much and take care. Have fun.